Hello friends, my name is Thomas Thameja. My topic is GSM architecture, GSM subsystems. GSM architecture is mainly divided into three subsystems: base station subsystem BSS, network and switching subsystem NSS, operations and support subsystem OSS. Mobile station sometimes included in BSS. These are the GSM subsystems. GSM network architecture. This figure shows GSM network architecture. In this figure, base station subsystem, network switching subsystem, public network, operating support subsystem. This is the GSM network architecture is mainly divided into the three parts: BSS, OSS and NSS. This figure shows interface and connections of GSM network architecture. Operation and maintenance system is NMC and OMC. Network switching system main is MSC in network switching system. This figure shows connections of GSMs. Simplified GSM architecture. This is the simplification of GSM architecture. MS signal is go into the BTS and BTS signal is go into the BSC. This figure is GSM architecture simplification. These are the full forms of parts of GSM system. BTS means base transceiver station. BSC base station controller. MSC mobile switching center. GMSC gateway MSC. ISC international switching center. MS mobile station. HLR means home location register. VLR means visited location register. EIR means equipment identity register. AUC means authentication center. OMC means operation and maintenance center. This is the parts of GSM system architecture. These are the components for GSM networking system. Mobile station MS. The MS consists of two parts: mobile equipment subscriber identity module means SIM. These are the mobile station MS. SIM card and GSM mobile equipment. This is the communication of subscriber and mobile. Subscriber knows called party number, MSID, ISDN pin. SIM card is shown in this figure. Global GSM mobility card, the smart card to UAC. This is the SIM card and GSM mobile equipment. Mobile equipment. The ME is the only part of the GSM network which the subscriber will really see. There are three main types of ME. These are listed below: vehicle mounted, portable mobile unit, and portable unit. This is the mobile equipment ME. These are the main types of mobile equipment. The SIM card functions. These are the functions for the SIM card. This is the SIM card. Width is 25 millimeter and height is 15 millimeter. This is the microchip with stored user information, removable data, temporary mobile subscriber number, location, area, identification, permanent data, unique mobile subscriber identity through IMSI number, authentication parameter KI, authentication algorithm A3, generating encryption key is Casey, algorithm A8. This is the SIM card and SIM card's functions. So in this figure, microchip with stored used information. This is the credit card size. Base station controller BSC. The BSC provides the control for the BSS. Any operational information required by the BTS will be received via the BSC. BTS signal is received via the BSC. Likewise, any information required about the base station controller BSC. The BSC provide the controller for the BSS. Any operational information required by the BTS will be received via the BSC. Likewise, any information required about the BTS by the OMC, for example, will be obtained the BSC. The BSC incorporates a digital switching matrix which it used to connect the radio channels on the air interface with the terrestrial circuits from the MSC. The BSC switching matrix also allowed the BSC to perform handovers between radio channels on BTS under its control without involving the MSC. BTS general architecture and functions. This is the figure is shows BTS general architecture and functions. Interface between antennas and TRXs or of each cell. This is the BTS. This is the antenna. BSC This is the BSC. Multiplexes speech and user data channels to BSC. Multiplexes signaling channels to BSC. This is the BTS general architecture and functions. NSS architecture. This is the NSS architecture. This is the site 1 and this is the site 2. NSS architecture is divided into two parts. Network switching system NSS. The network switching system includes the main switching function of the GSM network. It also contains the database required for subscriber data and mobility management. The components of the network switching system are listed below. First, Mobile Services Switching Center MSC, Home Location Register HLR, Visitor Location Register VLR, Equipment Identity Register EIR, Authentication Center AUC, Interworking Function IWF, Echo Canceller. This is the network switching system. This is the parts for the network switching system. These are the information for network switching system NSS. Mobile Switching Center MSC. MSC is the heart of the system, controlling the switching and billing. MSC is the heart of the system. The MSC can carry out different functions depending upon its position in the network. When provides interface between PSTN and BSS in GSM network, then known as a gateway. MSC provides service to MSS located within a defined geographic coverage area. The network typically contains more than one MSC. One MSC is capable of supporting a regional capital with approximately 1 million inhabitants. MSC is the heart of this system. Echo Canceller. Echo Canceller is the part for the communication, and EC is used on the PSTN side of the MSC for all voice circuits. Echo control is required at the switching because the inherent GSM system delay 180 ms approx can cause an unacceptable echo condition. This would not be apparent to the MS subscriber, but for the inclusion of a 2-wire to 4-wire hybrid transformer in the circuit, the transformer causes the echo. This does not affect the land subscriber. This diagram shows the echo canceller, land side and mobile side. This diagram shows GSM network components. These are the GSM network components: NFC, NMC, OMC, PKTSW, MUX, GSM network components is divided into the parts DSS, BSC, BTS. This is the GSM network component is mainly divided into the three parts OMC, BSS and BSS. These components are communication for the GSM. These are the parts for the GSM. This is my topic, GSM architecture. Thank you, sir.